Hi everyone, this is Cooking with Kurt. Today, my husband Donald and I are going to show you how to make embutido. This is a Filipino-style meatloaf with ground pork, vegetables, sausages, and eggs.
To start, we're going to make the ground pork mixture. Take a large mixing bowl and add in 1 pound of ground pork, 3 ounces of chorizo, which is 1 link, finely minced, 1 small carrot, finely minced, 1 red bell pepper, finely minced, 1 yellow onion, finely minced, 1/4 cup of pickle relish, 1/4 cup crushed pineapple, 1/4 cup of Kalamata olives, finely minced, ½ cup of grated cheddar cheese, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 large eggs, and ½ cup of all-purpose flour. Mix everything with your hands to ensure that everything is well combined. Prep 5 hard-boiled eggs and 5 Vienna sausages. Then prepare 2 rectangles of heavy-duty aluminum foil that are 18 inches by 24 inches. Take one of the aluminum rectangles and spray the top surface with non-stick cooking spray.
Place an oven rack in the middle position and preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. When all the components and materials are prepped, we're ready to assemble the embutido roll. In the middle of the aluminum rectangle that's greased, spread the pork mixture into a flat square that's 10 inches by 10 inches, leaving a border of aluminum on the sides. In the middle of the 10-inch by 10-inch square of pork mixture, arrange the 5 Vienna sausages along the middle so that they are parallel to the 24-inch side of foil. Then arrange the 5 hard-boiled eggs next to the 5 Vienna sausages. Use the aluminum foil to carefully roll the pork mixture over the sausages and eggs to form a log. Wrap the foil over this log and twist the loose ends of the foil and tightly seal them. Take the second rectangle of foil to double wrap the log to ensure it is sealed. The log will be around 12 inches long when everything is all rolled up. Roll the log back and forth to even out the thickness of the log throughout, as needed. Take a roasting tray fitted with a metal rack and place the embutido log on the metal rack. We're going to bake the embutido log in the preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour and 40 minutes, or till the internal temperature of the log reaches a minimum of 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Let the cooked log come completely to room temperature. Once it reaches room temperature, chill it in the fridge overnight. Keep it in the fridge wrapped in foil till you're ready to serve. It will keep in the fridge for 3 to 5 days and in the freezer for up to 2 months. Once the embutido is chilled overnight, while it's still cold, remove the foil layers and slice the log into 1-inch thick rounds. As you can see, it's easier to cut into neat and smooth slices when the embutido log is chilled. Embutido is traditionally served cold as is, but if you want to serve it warm, we suggest reheating the slices in the oven on a parchment paper lined tray at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Garnish with chopped parsley and serve with ketchup. And there it is, Filipino-style meatloaf with ground pork, sausages, and eggs. Ang sarap!
Yum!
So good. I love that caramelized pork flavor.
And the flavors from the vegetables and eggs really come together so well.
Thank you so much for watching. Please let us know in the comment section below if you're planning to make this pork embutido. Send us pictures of your dishes on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Links below. And if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Cooking with Kurt.
And don't forget to click on the bell so you get notified when we post new cooking videos. And for our written recipes and more, be sure to check out cookingwithkurt.com.
Maraming salamat!